I worked for one of the biggest AI companies for 3 years. I spent $50,000 on AI tools last year. I told myself I'd make 100 videos this month. I made 3, but here's the thing, all 3 were free. Take sip of cold, I'm by.
Stop paying for AI tools. If you're still spending money on video generators, you are getting scammed and nobody told you about this. Because there is a completely free AI tool that gives you unlimited realistic videos, talking characters and cinematic shots, and today you are finally going to see it. But listen, do not click away. If you leave now, you will go back to paying for tools you don't need. And this one simple video could literally replace half of your AI subscription. Before we start, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon because this is not a one-time trick. On this channel you will get all the hidden AI tools that nobody is talking about and you don't want to miss the next ones. Most YouTube creators quit in the first month, not because they lack ideas, not because they are lazy, but because the tools are too expensive. They burn through cash on AI image generators, AI video tools, editors, voice over apps, and at the end of the month they have spent $200 to $300 without making a single dollar back. If that sounds familiar, this video is for you. And if you are serious about building a YouTube automation channel, hit like right now so YouTube knows you want more content like this. The secret tool you should be using in upcoming year is Grok Imagine. Grok recently upgraded its image and video model and it's insane. You can generate hyper-realistic photos, cinematic videos with camera movement, talking character with built-in voice, and even turn your own voice into smooth motion videos. And even turn your own image into smooth motion videos. And the best part, you can use it for free with unlimited generation. Let me show you exactly how to use it step by step. First, let's test how Grok is at photorealistic images. Just go to grok.com/imagine. I'm going to just paste the simple prompt into the box. I'm going to just select the image from here and my aspect ratio from here, and you can hit generate. Look at this. The lighting, depth of field, skin texture, all of it looks like it was done with a high-end camera. Let's try something more cinematic. I'm going to paste this prompt. Vintage 1960 convertible car parked on a beach at sunset. Warm golden light reflecting on the water, soft waves in the background, dramatic clouds, lens flare, ultra realistic, high resolution, cinematic composition 8K. And just hit generate. This looks straight out of movie poster, right? The reflections, the color grading, everything feels real. And remember, this is from a free tool. Now that we know the image are solid, let's move to what you really came for, videos. Grok Imagine doesn't just make images, it can turn any text into a smooth, realistic video. I'm going to switch the model from image to video. I'm going to paste my prompt. The prompt is a stylish young woman in a studio walks out of the frame to the left, then a sleek black lion wearing oversized futuristic sunglasses slowly walks into the frame from the right. Minimalist white backdrop, smooth camera, soft shadows, 4K realistic animation, natural movement, and hit generate. Look at that, smooth animation, clean lighting, no weird distortion or melting faces. This is something you can actually use in a YouTube short or B-roll sequence. Now let's get into the crazy part, talking AI character with voice directly from Grok. All I have to do is write a prompt describing the scene and include the exact dialogue inside quotes. Grok will generate the motion and the voice for me. So this is the prompt I am going to give. Close-up shot of a confident young man sitting at a desk in front of a computer with colorful RGB lights in the background. He looks into the camera and speaks clearly. Cinematic lighting, 4K realistic face, natural lip sync. Dialogue is, I am building my YouTube channel with AI and nobody can stop me. Now hit generate.
I am building my YouTube channel with AI and nobody can stop me now.
The lips moves naturally, the expression change with the sentence, and the voice sounds clean and usable. You can use this to create faceless YouTube channels, talking commentators or character for your stories without ever recording your own face. And yes, you're still not paying anything. If you haven't subscribed yet, this is the moment. Hit subscribe right now if you want more tutorials on tools like this, because in the next video we are going even deeper. Grok can even handle 2 characters talking in the same scene with both voices generated for you. So I have pasted this prompt and just hit generate.
Walking with my wife, building our future with AI.
Love you, and yes, AI is literally paying for our dates now.
Walking with.
This looks like real blog footage. You have motion, environment and 2 different voices talking to each other. Imagine storytelling with this, relationship skits, travel blogs, personal finance stories, all without actors or cameras. Now let's say you already have an image, maybe from Grok or any other tool, and you want to bring it to life. We can do image to video and add motions. So I'm going to upload a static image. So I'm going to use this image of mine for now, and I'm going to paste this prompt and hit generate. So as you can see, the animation is smooth, not jittery. The background stays stable. The body moves naturally. This is perfect for B-roll shots in YouTube videos, hooks or cinematic storytelling. Now let's push it one step further. Turn any image into a talking video with voice. I'm going to paste this prompt and I'm going to upload an image. So I'm going to upload this image of mine and give my custom prompt and hit generate. This is where YouTube automation becomes interesting. You can design a character, give them a personality, and let Grok make them talk on camera for you. So let's hear it.
I am the voice of your AI channel, and I will speak for you while you stay behind the scenes. I am
So-
the voice of your AI.
If you're shy, don't like being on camera, or you're running multiple channels, this is literally your new best friend. And again, this is free. If you're still watching and haven't subscribed yet, hit subscribe, like this video and drop a comment saying Grok so this video reaches more people. Let's quickly recap how you can turn this into a full YouTube automation system. Here is the simple pipeline you can use today. Use Grok Imagine to generate B-roll videos, talking characters, cinematic scenes. Write your script inside Grok or separately turn parts of it into talking head clips, story scenes, visual metaphors. Combine those clips in any editor like CapCut, Premiere Pro, DaVinci or anything. Upload them as long form educational videos, faceless explainer channel, motivational shorts, storyboard reels and TikToks. You literally remove camera cost, microphone cost, actor cost, location cost, and you only focus on what actually matters: ideas, storytelling and consistency. If you have reached this point, you are not a casual viewer, you are someone who actually wants to build with AI. So here is the deal: like this video so more creators discover free tools like Grok. Subscribe to the channel because in the next video there will be full workflows on complete faceless YouTube channel setup with AI, automating scripting, thumbnail and editing, turning one idea into videos across multiple platforms. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss those uploads. If you want a part 2 where we can push Grok to its absolute limit, drop a comment saying part 2 Grok. This is Shah Faisal Sheikh and this is just the beginning of AI power tutorial. See you in the next one.